Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Meet to LinkedIn for recruiting sessions step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Meet website. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once logged in, locate the New Meeting button on the main page. Click on the New Meeting button to generate a meeting link. Copy the meeting link that appears in the pop-up window. Now, open a new tab to access your LinkedIn account. Log in to LinkedIn with your credentials. On your LinkedIn homepage, find and click on the Jobs tab in the top menu. Select Post a Job to begin creating your job posting. Fill out the job details, including the position, description, and location. In the application settings, look for the section that allows you to add an interview method. Select the option to conduct interviews via a video call. Paste the Google Meet link you copied earlier into the designated field. Review all the details of your job posting to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Post Job button to publish your listing. Your LinkedIn job posting is now connected to Google Meet for recruiting sessions. Candidates can use the Google Meet link to join their interviews directly. Monitor applicants and schedule interviews as they apply. Utilize Google Meet's features to enhance your recruiting process. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Google Meet to LinkedIn for your recruiting sessions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.